ममा तिमीलाई के मन पर्छ? What do you like in me? What do you like in me? तिम्रो मतलब के हो? What do you mean? What do you mean? अन्तिम शनिबार के गर्यौ तिमीले? तिमीले अन्तिम शनिबार के गर्यौ? What did you do last Saturday? What did you do last Saturday? अन्तिम शनिबार के गर्यौ तिमीले? What all did you do last Saturday? अन्तिम शनिबार के गर्यौ भन्दा What did you do last Saturday? यदि अन्तिम शनिबार के गर्यौ भन्दाखेरि all को युज गर्ने. सो सेन्टेन्स यस्तो भन्छ. What all did you do last Saturday? यदि तपाईं यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र सँगै रहेको बेल आइकनमा क्लिक गर्नुहोस्. हाम्रो फेसबुक पेज बिआर इंग्लिश हब लाइक गर्नुहोस्. साथै तपाईंको साथीहरूलाई पनि पेजमा इन्भाइट गर्नुहोस्. तिमी के गर्ने कोसिस गरिरहेका छौ? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? मलाई थाहा छैन के हो त्यो. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. तिमीले के किन्यौ? What did you buy? What did you buy? तिमीसँग के छ? अथवा तिम्रो साथमा के छ? What do you have? What do you have? तिमीसँग के छैन? नेगेटिभमा भन्दा What do you not have? पोजिटिभमा भन्दा What do you have? नेगेटिभमा भन्दा अथवा तिमीसँग के छैन भन्दा What do you not have? के भयो? What happened? What happened? उसँग के छ अथवा उसको साथ के छ? What does he have? What does he have? उसको साथमा के छ? What all does he have? के छ भन्दा all युज गर्ने. What all does he have? त्यहाँ के भयो? What all happened there? What all happened there? उसलाई के भयो अथवा उसको साथ के भयो? What all happened with him? What all happened with him? समय कति भयो अथवा कति बज्यो? What time is it? What time is it? तिम्रो नाम के हो? What is your name? तिम्रो बुबाको नाम के हो? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? तिमी कुन देशमा बस्छौ? Which country do you live? Which country do you live? राम कहाँ बस्छ? Where does Ram live? Where does Ram live? तिनीहरू कहिले आउँछन्? When will they come here? When will they come here? उसको घरमा कतिजना मानिसहरू बस्छन्? How many people lived in his house? How many people lived in his house? तिमी कसको भाइ हो? Whose brother are you? Whose brother are you? के कुरा हो? What is the matter? अथवा तपाईं यसरी नै भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ सर्टकटमा What's the matter? What is the matter? What's the matter? बीएमा तिम्रो विषय के थियो? What were your subjects in BA? What were your subjects in BA? ऊ के गरिरहेको छ? What is he doing? What is he doing? उसँग के छ? What does he have? What does he have? तिम्रो घर कस्तो छ? What is your house like? कस्तो like? What is your house like? तिम्रो साथीहरू कस्ता देखिन्छन्? What does your friends like? What does your friends like? त्यहाँ मौसम कस्तो छ? What is the weather like there? What is the weather like there? ऊ यो कसको लागि गर्दैछ? What is he doing this for? What is he doing this for? यो मोबाइल के को लागि हो? What is this mobile for? What is this mobile for? यदि तपाईं यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला र भिडियोलाई तपाईको साथीहरुमा शेयर गर्नुहोला। भिडियोलाई दोहोर्याएर हेर्नुहोला। हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलको प्लेलिस्टमा गएर सम्पूर्ण लेसन वाइज भिडियोहरु हेर्नुहोला। थ्यांक्स फर वाचिङ।